If you have accidentally deleted photos or videos on your iPhone and you want to recover them, you're in luck. It's possible, with one caveat. It has to be within 30 days of you having deleted it. This is the iPhone library for photos. I can tap on select, tap on this video, and then choose delete, and delete video. Now it's gone. You can also tap and hold, and then tap delete, and then delete photo, and now it's gone. It's not totally gone though. From this point on, you have 30 days to recover it. To recover photos and videos, tap on this little image icon on the bottom left, go to collections. If you have an older version of iOS, this will be named a little differently. I believe it's named albums on the older versions. And once you're in here, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find a recently deleted option. Tap on that, use your Face ID to unlock it or your PIN code. When it's unlocked, you'll see the deleted items in here. These are the ones we just deleted moments ago, and here are some others. To recover them, tap on select, drag and hold your finger over all the ones that you want to save and bring back into your photo library. Then tap on these three dots. Then tap on recover. Make sure you don't do a fat finger like I do and sometimes tap delete when you don't mean to. You want to make sure you tap right on the recover. And now it's asking if you want to recover those 11 items. Tap on this. Now they're out of the recently deleted and they're back in your library. If you're deathly afraid of losing photos and videos, there's something else you can do. I have on my phone Google Photos, and I have a Google Photos account. This allows all the photos on my phone to sync to Google Photos immediately after they're taken and I'm connected to Wi-Fi, which is pretty amazing. It happens instantly, lickety-split. And I've got multiple accounts here. That's why you didn't see these in my photo library. This is from one of my other devices that my son uses a lot to play Roblox. And so even when I delete photos from my photo library back here, if they're sunk to my Google Photos, they will not be deleted there. And the big benefit is Google Photos is a cloud service, so you're using their cloud server space and not my iPhone space. And connecting those services is super easy. Just sign up for one. There's iCloud, there's Microsoft One, is that what it's called? There's Google Photos and Google Drive, and you can sign up for them, download their app, log in, and the syncing should just be automatic. And then your photos and videos will be safe forever, theoretically, as long as Google doesn't crash or Microsoft or get hacked and lose all their data. I hope this video helps you. If you got value from it, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is all about reducing how fast your battery dies, as in extending your battery life on your iPhone. Check out that video, and I'll see you there.